What's going on, everybody? My name is Bullet. I'm at BCCOA The Shop, new channel on YouTube. This is going to be a short video. I'm just trying to try out so I can get some more videos downloaded and go from there. But I'm going to give you a quick run around of the Charger and go from there. It's a 69 RT 440, and it's been my car ever since I was right at 14 years old, right at the end of 13, right at 14. But yeah, I've had it a long time, and it's time to do something with it and get it done and get it back together. Stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy. We're going to see if he's going to crank. Cold natured. Don't have no chokes. Get you a little bit of view. Still got a long way to go on it. I'm trying to put it back street legal. Got a little bit of exhaust leak, needs to tune up. I just changed the oil in it. The car hadn't been legally on the road in 30 years. But I've about got it where I can get it streetable. I changed the rear end ratio from 538 to 391. Upgraded the brakes on the front, all new ball joints, control arms, tubular. I know you can't see them, but got to put some header gaskets and stuff on it, clean it up. It's getting there. His name's Old B. But I hope you like this video, and I hope to bring you some more real soon. I got a bunch recorded. I just got to figure out how to download this stuff and go from there. I don't know what happened there. It went real blurry, but sorry about that. I'm getting used to it, and it'll take me a little bit, but just bear with me. But if you give me a chance, I'm going to try to share some memories with you, have some fun, and got a lot of other projects going on. So hopefully we can have fun on this new journey. Alright, well, I guess we're going to call it quits on this one and do this test run on this video, see how it goes. Alright guys, thanks. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me some comments in the bottom. And I'll see what kind of content you might like. But I got a lot of stuff going on. And hope to see you soon. Thanks everyone.